The Hydrotest PowerTool on the Pipeline Hub is a revolutionary software program for design, planning, and validation for pipeline pressure testing. It's the first software suite in the industry that handles all aspects of hydrotest design and planning and meets TVC standards. It reduces capital and operational expenditure while minimizing risk exposure and managing documentation. PHMSA's Mega Rule is now enforced as part of the latest amendments to the Federal Pipeline Safety Standard Part 192 for gas transmission and gathering systems. The Mega Rule mandates traceable, verifiable, complete, or TVC documentation. With the Hydrotest PowerTool, you can analyze and plan hydrotests on your pipeline network while maintaining TVC records. When connected to the Pipeline Hub, the Hydrotest PowerTool multiplies the capabilities of the Pipeline Toolbox. The Hub's integrated data environment centralizes your asset data and makes it available to your whole organization. The Hub's hierarchy navigation and map integration provide fast access to all of your asset data resources and calculation tools. The platform stores components, MAOP variations, wear on parts that may be overdue for maintenance, and the pressure limitations of different wall thicknesses. The Hub minimizes simplifying assumptions and eliminates repetitive manual inputs that frequently lead to errors. The Hydrotest PowerTool lets you select sections for testing based on multiple criteria, including elevation head, class location changes, available water, and others. It is also capable of automatically designating sections based on the available data. It gives you options to import location survey data, plan water sourcing and disposal, and generate accurate elevation profiles through the integrated EsriMap GIS tool. It also displays warning and failure indications based on the validity of the pressure test design. The unique combination of capabilities of the Hydrotest PowerTool on the Hub delivers superior ROI for engineering software and pipeline infrastructure. It increases return on investment, saves time in the office and the field, and helps engineers reduce risks and costs with TVC documentation. No other solution does so much to facilitate performance and compliance. If your organization operates, acquires, or designs pipelines, talk to Technical Toolboxes and arrange a demo to find out what the Hydrotest PowerTool can do for you.